Welcome dear students. Myself Mrs. Darshana Sandeep Shinde. Today we deals with the capsule. This is the capsule part 1 video. In this session we see, after watching this video, students are able to understand and recognize what is meaning by capsule, types of capsule, that is hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. Let's start the session. First of all, we see what is meant by capsule. Capsules are unit solid dosage forms. The drug is enclosed within the water soluble shell or envelope, either a hard or a soft shell. It is made up that shell is made up from the either a soft gelatin or a hard gelatin, and because of that gelatin used, hard or soft, it is divided into two parts, hard gelatin and soft gelatin. Shell is typically made up of the gelatin, primarily intended for oral delivery, provide a rapid release of the content. The drugs having nauseous odor, taste, that can be easily form in the form of the capsule. Drug is enclosed in the soft or hard gelatin capsule, and capsules are they provide rapid release if they are dissolved into the gastric juice. We see the advantages of the capsule. The drug having unpleasant odor, taste can be administered by enclosing them in a tasteless shell. That gelatin capsule, whether it is a hard or soft, it is a tasteless shell. Smooth become very slippery when the moist and can be easily swallowed. Capsules can be easily swallowed. They are economical one, easy to handle and carry, easy for handling and carrying. Then release the medicament as when they desired in the GIT. If they are reaches to the GIT, they start to the releasing the medicament. First of all, gelatin shell is melt, and after that, in that covered powder drug dosage form or granules should start to release. They are made up of gelatin, hence they are therapeutically inert. Gelatin is a therapeutically inert. They are attractive in appearance, available in various sizes. Microencapsulation provide the sustained release dosage form. Microencapsulation, it is the process in which we can use this process to overcome the bad odor, bad taste. In that, single particles is covered by the other inert particle, and in this way capsulation to each and every particle can be possible. That's why it is known as the microencapsulation, that we see in the next part. Then we see the disadvantages. The hygroscopic drug cannot be filled in the capsule. They absorb water present in the capsule shell and make it very brittle. Though the little bit quantity of the water is present in the gelatin, if hygroscopic nature drug can absorb the water and make it brittle, which ultimately break it into the pieces. The concentrated preparation which need provide or which need previous dilutions are unstable for the capsules, because it may be lead to the irritation in the stomach if administered as a such. Some drugs are needed dilutions, but we cannot dilute the capsule, so such a kind of drug cannot be filled in the form of the capsule. Then we see the gelatin. Gelatin is the, whether we made the capsule from the hard gelatin capsule or soft, gelatin is the common one factor. That gelatin we obtain from the different sources. Gelatin is a protein in nature prepared from hydrolysis of the collagen, that is animal bones and skin. There is two types of gelatin. Type A gelatin, which has the pH between 7 to 9 and it's obtained from pig skin. Type B, its pH is 5 and it's obtained from the animal bone. This type A is derived from acid treated precursor. Type A is derived from acid treated precursor that exhibit an isoelectric point at pH 9. Its isoelectric point is 9. It is manufactured mainly from the pork skin. Pork skin it is obtained, and it is a acid treated precursors, obtained from acid treated precursors. And then type B, it is derived from alkali treated precursors that exhibit an isoelectric point at the 4.7 pH. It is manufactured mainly from the animal bones. Then we see it possesses the 4 essential properties. Gelatin possesses 4 essential properties. Stable when dry, then subject to microbial degradation when moist. If it carry the proper moisture, it do not have a degradation by the microorganism, but it increases if the moisture increases, it start to degradation. It is digested one and it is properly absorbed. Then we see the types of the capsule. First is the hard gelatin capsule, second is the soft gelatin capsule, and third is a modified release capsule. Modified release capsule consists of first delay release capsules, gastrointestine or gastrointestinal resistance, and enteric capsule, or it may be known as the enteric capsules. That means their shell is made in such a way that it should be released delay, or its release is not all the shells not absorb at one at a time. Its release is slowly one. Then the next is sustained release capsules. It's extended or it may be also known as prolonged release capsules. Again same, both are the delay release. That means these are made specially from dissolve into the intestine, enteric capsules, just like enteric tablets. Sustained release capsules, these are prolonged release capsules. That means its shell is released or its cell is start to absorb very slowly. That's why drug also release very slowly. Then we see the difference between the hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. Hard gelatin capsule shell consists of 2 parts, that is body and cap. Soft gelatin capsule shell become a single unit after the sealing of the 2 halves of the capsules. Soft gelatin capsule consists of a single unit. They have divided into 2 halves, but if drug is filled into it, it is immediately sealed. They are cylindrical. Hard gelatin capsule are cylindrical in shape. Soft gelatin capsule is a round, oval, tube-like shapes. Hard gelatin capsule contains usually contain the medicament form of the powders, beads or granules. Soft gelatin capsules usually consist of liquids, solids dissolved or dispersed with the suitable excipients to give the paste-like consistency. Like means for the liquid, semi-solid and paste. Then hard gelatin capsules prepared from the gelatin, titanium dioxide, coloring agent and plasticizers. Soft gelatin capsules can be prepared from the gelatin plasticizers, that means gelatin or sorbitol, and it contain a preservative. Then hard gelatin capsule are sealed after they are filled in to ensure that the medicament may not come out the capsule due to the rough handling. Hard gelatin capsule consists of a cap and body. Drug is filled into cap and body, and then it is sealed for the easy handling. And if we carry roughly, it should not be separated out. That's why capsule after filling it should be sealed one. Soft gelatin capsule filling and sealing is a one operation, that is combined operation can be happen in the soft gelatin capsule. Then we see the hard gelatin capsule. It contains 12 to 16% moisture, typically filled with the dry solid powders or granules, pellets, tablets. Also contain the gelatin. It also contain titanium dioxide, colorant and preservatives. This is the hard gelatin capsules. It should have a cap and body. Then this hard gelatin capsule can be available in different sizes from 5 to 000. 000 size is the biggest size. 5 number size is the smallest size. 000 size consists of 950 milligram. 00 consists 650 milligram. 0 size consists of a 450 milligram drug. 1 consists of a 300 milligram drug. Size 2 consists of a 250 milligram drug. size number 3 of a capsule consists of a 200 milligram of drug. Size number 4 consists of a 150 milligram of a drug, and smallest size, that is size 5, consists of a 100 milligram of drug. These are the hard gelatin capsules. Then we see the advantages of hard gelatin. It's a tasteless and odorless. Swallowing is easy. Flexibility of formulating. Then uniquely stable for the blind clinical trials. It is very for the clinical trials, the drug should be filled in gelatin. Easy for swallowing. Elegance appearance. Useful for the extemporaneous compounding by the pharmacist. For the extemporaneous work, it should be easily favored. Then we see the disadvantages. Tend to more expensive to produce than the tablets. These are economical one, but they are the less expensive, they are the more expensive than the tablet. Tablets are less expensive, or tablets are easy, cheaper than the capsule, because it needs the gelatin for filling the drug. Not suitable for highly soluble salts. It is not suitable for highly soluble salts. Then we see the soft gelatin capsule, or it may be also known as the soft gels. It consists of a continuous gelatin shell surrounding a liquid core, formed, filled and sealed in one operation. They can be formed, filled and sealing, all happen in one operation. Shell are softened, plasticized by adding of the glycerin or polyhydric alcohol, that is sorbitol. By adding the glycerin or sorbitol, that gelatin can be software or may contain preservative also. It's available in the oblong, spherical, elliptical shape. It is used for to enclose the oil, suspension, food concentrate, ophthalmic product also. Then we see the different shapes. These are oblong shapes available of soft gelatin capsule. These are some oval shapes, round shapes. These are available. These are some suppository shapes available of soft gelatin capsules, and these are some special shapes: cone shape, cuboidal shape, diamond shape, etc. Then we see the advantages of the soft capsule. May contain liquid suspension paste. For the filling of the liquid semi-solid, we can prefer the soft gelatin capsule. Rapid release of the drug content is useful for drug prone to oxidation. It should have some disadvantages also, like have a greater tendency to adhere to each other, though it contain the more moisture, or it contain the glycerin, that's why it contain more moisture, and though they adhere to each other. These are more expensive than the hard gelatin one. Increased possibility of interaction between the drug and the shell may be possible because it contains the more moisture. If moisture is present, there is a chances of increasing interaction between drug and the shell. Then we move towards the summary. In this session, we cover what is meant by capsule, types of capsule, hard gelatin capsule, soft gelatin capsule with advantages, disadvantages, what kind of gelatins are used. Thank you very much for attending this session.